2:35. I got work at 5, so 2.5, just under 2.5 hours. I'm gonna quickly grab salt and honey as some sort of pre-workout, and then we're gonna hess it up. And we're gonna go quick, man. Awesome. Deadlifts left now, bro. I feel sick, man. Those squats really drained, man. I feel yuck. I thought I was going to throw up at one stage. Oh, not good. And 4 sets of squat. The camera cutout died through 1 or 2 of the sets, but man, the third set of 2:30 for 5 pause. I was barely pausing it, and they were quite high, and I knew I had 1 more set left, and man, I was just drained. I was like down to flooding in, and I was like, no, I don't know if I can do this last set. And then I logically thought that acknowledging that fatigue's only going to get worse, that means it's going to be even harder to fully pause and to hit good depth, because fatigue is hard as slack. And instead of cutting out the last set, I just logically thought, lowered the weight down to 220 kilos, did it for 5, and really focused on pausing a bit longer and depth. I haven't really checked the video, but I hope it is. But I got deadlifts now. Well, work is just under an hour, so we're gonna hit that out. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.
It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you,
Alright, we got 2 more sets, 4:45 work in 15 minutes. I'll be able to do my next set. I'll probably finish my 450. Have a quick, like literally 1 minute cold shower. Get protein, carbs in. Make sure I drink some water. I'll just have some sodium or salt. Actually, I'm gonna have soy sauce for my sodium, so then I can hydrate and then need to drink heaps of water. And then that should help me get through my shift at Domino's, man. This gym session grind, bro. Took it out of me, and now I have to go to work for the next few hours. It is what it is, the grind don't stop. Ain't stop.
to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light.
The gap right now, where I'm gonna be hella late. I'm gonna have to leave this stuff here. It's 4:50, 51. I'll have 1 minute shower, my nutrients in, and hit the gap to work. So let's get it.
Harry should be getting qualified next year, bro. Which would be sick.
Better to T-Rail. Time to get our pies. Honestly, the best pie.
I cooked Angus, cream and mushroom, bacon, and Alfredo.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, that
The bacon cheese. I might get the Ben's pie, eh?
What do you want, Tab? Should I buy your food and then we eat?
We got 2 Ben's pies. I think Tabitha got a steak and cheese, and you both got a scratchy. Yeah. We'll set up. We'll do a pie review.
What flavour is it?
It's called Ben's pie, bro. It's like creamy Angus beef, chicken, Alfredo sauce.
Pie. Average.
That's good. Really like the pastry. Good pastry.
No drinks in the menu. No drinks. Not even one. You know, I'm gonna give it a 7 because it's not really my flavour. But it's good. Like pastry and all that's good. Good amount of meat and stuff in there. But yeah, I reckon it's 7. It's not. Yeah.
Not your cup of tea.
Nah. I reckon steak and cheese.
Hey, it's a steak.
I say 9 because the steak and cheese would be good.
What are you talking about?
10 out of 10.
Okay. I agree with Ruben. I'm gonna go 7.5. It's a bit of a funky taste, but the pastry is really good.
The best.
You can't give the spot away, bro.
I missed.
Should we make a bet? 100% that's not a fish here, though.
I'm pretty sure. We're at the spot. We're gonna go for a fish. We're trying to debate whether we can fish here. I searched it up that you can fish anywhere in the Waihu. I'm pretty sure the river. And I walked here the other time and there was no sign saying no fishing. And we got our fishing license, the day licenses. So we're all like ticking the boxes. I might have to chat GPT it real quick. I can't remember how I did it last time. It's good. Yo. Hold up.
Damn, the calisthenics going crazy. 1 arm push-ups. Hey, why do you jump, Thomas? So I can drink the water at the springs.
Yeah, bro. Fresh water. We're heading again to the other spot. We're not going to go fish the spot because this is like the Blue Spring spot. Yeah, we need to catch some big rabbit trout so we can smoke it up.
It'll be me and Tab versus you two.
Okay, let's go.
I was saying that because then
Alright,
the
we're
team's
on,
not
Thomas.
fair because
We're
we're
on,
both
bro.
inexperienced.
Yeah. Well, we can.
I'm not a good fisher.
Bro, I haven't caught a trout since I was like 14.
Hey.
Wait, well, today's your lucky day, mate.
So where's that coda thing you said you heard? These?
The green thing.
These aren't coda?
Those you
Yeah.
fucking idiot.
Oh, these. So you just hooked through it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is the thing.
Bro, you bought the reels, eh? I asked you.
Bro. No, did you?
Oh my. Bro,
Did you?
I did.
you
I was
actually
asking you. I was like, bro.
Pulling your leg. I bought them.
Okay. I was not gonna. I was gonna try not get angry at you, but I was a bit upset. I would say that. I don't want to kill the morale. But bro, you're playing games with me, G. You're playing games with me, and then you tried to say, "Did you forget, bro?"
Did
I
you
was
actually
asking.
forget? Bro, I've done this, bro. I've like tangled it. Well, Harry's probably tangled this actually.
Hey, remember, don't play the blame game. You catch a point, that's 3 points, and we got to be honest.
Yeah.
Honesty is the best policy. Right, it's finally open. This used to be closed, like a structure site. Oh, the ops are here, bro. Now they're gonna follow us to our spots, G. Yeah, stop following us. Hey!
Back there in that first spot.
Did he actually?
Right, yeah.
Oh, there's the log's still here. There's just down here, bro. There's a little waterfall. Walk goes that way. This log, yeah. Bro, you sneeze, you lose.
My spot, bro.
Nah, this is my spot. Right, this is exactly where I was. Just right there. I can't really see the line. We're dropping off the jacket.
Your phone and jacket there.
Yeah, you left it behind, brother. Now that does look like a good spot, but yeah, you gotta get the black ones. They're too red, these ones. Now further up, there's like heaps, bro. Oh, that's a good one. Right there. Right there.
Hey, Thomas, have a look at those.
Oh, that was juicy. Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Walk across this tree, bro. We're this new spot. Do you see anything? You just want to walk across it from there. See if we can see anything. Hey, we're on the log now. That's a big ass tree. There's actually 6 spots. Oh. Oh no, it's some sort of buck, but it looked like something, eh? Just looks like a mermaid. What's gonna be? No, number 3. We're going to this third spot. I have caught a fish up here, or hooked one. I think we did catch a fish, but I've definitely hooked one up here, and you can see them in the water usually. See anything, bro? Can't lie, lads. It's 3:20. The morale is like mediocre. Our hunger bars have gone down. We've just been munching blackberries, but they're not very sufficient. We've still got a couple more spots to try, but like we're on the ways back. But we're gonna try them on the way back. But you know, We endure to the end. We don't give up. We don't give in. The good attitude's gonna provide. It's gonna provide. Hey, Ruben.
We got that good at it.
You're texting a spot. Apparently the cicada shell are like chips. It doesn't taste like anything.
It's just like a chippy.
Holding it.
Yeah, we caught our fish. It was actually a team effort.
Thomas caught this one.
It was a team effort. We both hooked up
Mate,
against.
look at that side. That side's nicer.